Auto Hire, predominantly from Dubbo, the Central West and Western New South Wales. Moved over to Perth and then started Lewis Auto Hire in 2012 with one flatbed truck. Since then we sort of navigated the ebbs and flows of the mining and construction industry. We've got a fleet of roughly 800 vehicles around the country with big miners, Rio, FMG, BHP, etc. We made the transition into EVs at the end of last year when we met AusEV CEO Eddie Coffer. We struck up a relationship and we thought it'd be a good idea to tackle the mining industry and help the big miners and the contract companies and people like yourselves with their decarbonisation goals. And it's taken off. So every week we're getting requests for vehicles, we're sending out product guide. We're out here on a renewable site, so essentially Squadron and NACAP are feeding and building the sovereign capability of Australia by feeding energy back into Australia. It makes sense to bring a EV vehicle out onto site as the partnership it goes hand in hand. It makes sense.
Here to see the first electric ute that's been brought onto site by NACAP, our constructor at Uungula here. So this vehicle will be used during the construction phase to sort of head up into the site and monitor progress by the various supervisors. So it's a terrific initiative. It's all part of the transition, electric vehicles and electrification generally, that we are, obviously supporting with our own generation. So it's a quite impressive vehicle. I've been told the sort of safety features on this vehicle are tremendous. It's got IVMS, just as we have on our own site stuff, but it's also got some driver fatigue alerts and a whole range of other features that make it a pretty secure and safe vehicle to use on the site. And touch wood, we might see some come onto our operating fleet over the course of time.
We're a large enough company where we can supply large volume of vehicles, but we're also nimble and small enough where we can make decisions on the fly. And if there's different requests or there's different site requirements, we can act on them quickly and get them done virtually straight away. And then we've always got a long-term vision, so I see us doing business with Squadron and NACAP for the next 30 years, so we're in it for the long haul.